So the fall has finally arrived. The snow melted as quickly as it came, and now we're left with just rain and mud. This means that we didn't have any excuses for not continuing our project downstairs. So in this video, I will show you how we salvaged these already used floors and made them into our own. So the story behind these floors is actually pretty cool. These floors used to be in a clothing store. So when the clothing store got bankrupt, they had to demo everything. So if we hadn't taken these floors, they would have ended up in the dumpster. So we actually managed to get these floors for free, which is great. When we were demoing the floors, my dad cut the floors into quite large sheets of floors. And in our renovation, we placed those two sheets in a row and made connecting pieces in the middle. So first, what you need to do is start making the connecting pieces. I believe this kind of flooring is called tongue and groove. So basically there are two different kinds of joints that will connect to each other. As you can see, the groove part of the piece is full of splinters and glue, so you need to get rid of them using a milling machine. After that, make a new joint for the piece using a blade made for tongue joints. Sand the piece a little bit so that it'll look nice. Now it's time to make the groove joints, again using a blade made for groove joints. So now you should have a right-sized piece to connect the two sheets of flooring. Here is an example what can happen if you don't know what you're doing. So this was the first piece that we did, and we didn't have any connecting pieces between the two sheets. So yeah, you can see a straight line here and it doesn't look that pretty. So here we have a much nicer looking piece, and this is how we did the rest of the floors. So here you can see that we have taken out the smaller pieces from the tips of the sheet and placed them with these connecting pieces so that it'll look much nicer and just like a real floor. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please, if you have any suggestions or tips, please let me know. We still have one room left to go. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!